So, Stephen, tell us, what did you make?
I made duck by the sea.
Duck by the sea.
Yeah,
I love that.
So, if I understand, you've mixed a mussel or shellfish with a duck, which is very unusual.
duck and mussels, yeah. That's hence duck by the sea.
All right, let's have a look.
Stephen, I think you're turning into a little bit of a saucier. Because that sauce is spot on. It's got just enough seafood flavour in it, and who would have thought duck and mussel? It is delicious.
It's sauce, like, spot on. Like, you're really starting to kick goals there. And like I've said, if you can cook protein, you can make a good sauce, you're winning the battle, really.
This is delicious. You did something I never, ever, ever did in my life. So you stay there 1 minute, for 30 seconds I just come back. Because
No one knows.
it's a French film, I thought,
He's gonna wave
for
it.
now,
He's gonna wave it.
from now, I want you to take this in your kitchen and enjoy. Because what you've done there is fantastic.
You got a bit red there, mate. All right, bye-bye.
Unbelievable. I nearly have tears in my eyes.
He's crying.
Me too, I nearly cried with him.
I'm just like stunned and blown away. I can't believe it. Huge moment for me, that massive moment. Was probably the highlight of my cook so far.